Natives, please do your own desktop research. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Key success country indicators. 1. Low unemployment rate. 2. Low unhoused population. Less people living in informal housing. 3. Good and functioning health care. 4. Good and equal education system. 5. Working and efficient public sector. These countries have citizens first policy, have effective border management and control, and others, but just for this assignment/challenge. Let's limit to these. Native, we had the wool pulled over our eyes in Codasa. Let's kick them out of power and arrest all those that enabled infiltration and native displacement. Bopa. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Tandi here. Awesome, have a great one.
Ayikho nje into edina njengokuthi abantu bathi bama revolutionary besho beba bentshontsha mase befuna thina sibalwelwe mabeboshwe okuyisela nje akuboshwe aziya challenges zonke lezi zinto ayibophane futhi ziqedana yabona lo phethe nje manje uRamaphosa ngoba usizile abophe konke kuze umongameli yolandela eyoba nomsebenzi omncane ukubopha uRamaphosa kuphela so yena akabophe konke former mayor, former minister, current mayor, current minister, konke bopha, speaker bopha, deputy president, minister bopha, kuze the next president eyobopha wena kuphela kuyoba ngcono kakhulu ngoba ngeke umuntu ehola imali encane impilo eniphilayo iyasibonisa unyeba amaplaza abuzwa kunini nithi asilwela umhlaba wasemaketha ubuyi kweqiqini namaplaza nga4 nga5 asebenza nini hey niyathusa bo hey kwathiwa nje leadership sekuphenduka isicebi ukubona sekushaya ngekhanda elingaka izizema ubone sekuhluleka na uhamba